Hey everyone, my name is Marcus, and I make Twitch tutorial videos. I've been streaming on Twitch and Kick for years, and today on 7th of January, I want to share something important. My main goal was always to become a Twitch and Kick partner. In this video, I'll share how I tested free Twitch viewers in 2026, the 3 methods I personally tried, and what actually worked for me. So today, I'll be talking about 3 methods I tested: FollowersPanda viewer bots, stream boosters. In this video, I'll focus on the first method, FollowersPanda. FollowersPanda is one of the oldest and most trusted sites for social media services. It's a corporate and reliable platform that helps streamers improve their Twitch and Kick streams. They offer services to increase followers, improve visibility, boost engagement. Now let me show you exactly how I did it. First, go to the menu and click Buy Twitch Viewers. You'll be taken to the checkout page. Enter your Twitch username and email ID. Click Proceed to Checkout. You'll receive a verification code on your email. Copy the code and paste it on the Verify page. Create a password. Click Proceed to Checkout again. Confirm your order. After that, go to My Orders and you'll see the status as processing. As you can see on screen, the Twitch viewers started showing up. This helped my stream look more active and improved my overall channel appearance. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next Twitch tutorial video.